How to start dropshipping. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can start dropshipping business online as a complete beginner. So let's get started. First, what you can do is you have to understand dropshipping. Well, dropshipping simply means that we create an online store and then we list different products from different suppliers and then we sell these products. So all you do is you create a store on any of the different e-commerce platform, for example Shopify, and there are others as well. I will show you CJ Dropshipping, Uberlo. So you just create an account on these platforms, create a store, and then you find cheap products and you find products that will do good. You create a list, you import a list to your shop, and these products are listed there, and then you can simply go ahead and sell these products. So you don't do actually shipping is taken care by your supplier, everything, and you simply make money. Of course, when we list a product, we increase the price. If we're getting a product for $2, we will be selling it for $10 or maybe $8. So that is how we make profit with drop shipping. So a lot of people right now want to start drop shipping business and they're really confused how it works and from where they're going to be getting their products. So that's what I will show you today. So the first thing that we need in a drop shipping business is going to be a drop shipping store. So first you will have to choose a platform and create a store. So I would suggest going to shopify.com. Shopify is really good for beginners and it has all the right features and tools for us. We can simply go ahead and start a shop and create an online store on Shopify. Now, there are other options, a lot of options available. You can even sell on your Wix website. You can sell on your Squarespace website, on your WordPress website as well. You just need a store where you will be selling your products. But when it comes to dropshipping, we go for different platforms that already have audience, such as Shopify, such as eBay, Amazon. So we create stores on these platforms. For example, creating a store on Amazon will help you get more customers and you will be able to sell more and more products. So that's how it works. First of all, you will create a store. Now, creating a store is really easy. You sign up. You can sign up for Shopify. There are others as well, such as CJ Dropshipping. Now, this is also known as a drop shipping platform. So you can go ahead and check out drop shipping. You can see it works with Amazon, Etsy. So you can see this is like a perfect example where you can create store. So we have Amazon. We even now have TikTok. We can sell products through TikTok. So you can create a store on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, Walmart, and WooCommerce. So you just need a commerce store online on any of these platforms, and creating a store on eBay or Etsy is really easy. Let me actually take you to Etsy really quickly. So this is etsy.com and I also have a store on Etsy. So now let me give you a very quick example and very easy example how it works. So this is Etsy, right? I will click on Etsy and I will create a store on Etsy, which takes a minute. I will sign up with my Google account or my email address and I will create a store. Now I need to list products on Etsy. So I'll go to CJ Dropshipping, and on CJ they have actually created this platform as well, which is really impressive that they have actually added platforms as well, that if you want to list products on Etsy, you could just go to this link. So I have opened up CJ Dropshipping Etsy, like Etsy products. Now, Etsy is really famous for handcraft things. So we have all of these here. Now, you can see this product right here. This is a handmade necklace. Let me just give it a second to open up. So you can see hand twisted irregular crystal rough stone necklace. Now, this is actually a pretty cool product and it has a lot of different colors available too. And the price is just 0.88, like this is 88 cents. This right here, this necklace, which is actually pretty impressive. Now I'll click on list, right? First I will connect my Etsy store to my CJ Dropshipping, right? So we connect the store and the second option is list. I will click on list and this product will be added to my Etsy product, to my Etsy store right here. But what I will do is I will change the price. Now service fee is 49 cents and shipping fee is going to be $3. So I know it round about $4. That's what it's gonna cost. Okay, $4. I'm gonna go to Etsy and I'm gonna list this right here, this necklace, which looks really good. It's a crystal necklace. People love these kind of things. So I'm gonna sell it for minimum $25. Yeah, I think this is going to be the right price. Or maybe, okay, let's say don't go over the board. Let's go with maybe $20. Let's go with $15 maybe. So I will be selling this for minimum $15. Now the total price I checked here is $4, but so that the rest is my profit. I can, like, $15 is actually way too less for this one. I know these can be sold for really expensive price, especially on Shopify and other platforms. So I can just list this one and I can sell it for, if I want, I can sell it for $35. So that is how it works. That is how easy it is to do drop shipping. So this is like a perfect, very quick example for you guys. Now, similarly, we have other products as well. You can see we have necklaces, we have jewelry. This is for Etsy. So if you're creating stores somewhere else, if you're going with Amazon, let's go ahead and check out different Amazon products and see what we can find. All right, so we have Amazon products here. Of course, the first step is going to be connecting your Amazon store to your CJ dropshipping. And after that, we have like these products, like these very small products. Okay, so we have, let's say, we have this one right here, like Wi-Fi camera. So it's like for $16, but I can sell it for more than $50. Yeah, this is because like it's a camera. So we find very cheap products on CJ dropshipping, and similarly we have Aliexpress. So Aliexpress also works this way. We can find cheap products here and sell them on any of our stores that we have created. Now here's the thing. CJ dropshipping and Aliexpress are both Chinese based suppliers, and you will be getting these products from China. Just one drawback, it might take longer than you are expecting. For example, sometimes it takes months for products to arrive. So that is the only drawback to this, that it will take a while for your products to arrive. So that is actually a thing. So if you're in China, then this is like perfect for you. It won't take long. But if you are US and EU based company and a dropshipping, a person who's doing dropshipping, then it's gonna take a while. So for that, we also have an alternative, which is Uberlo. Now Uberlo is a dropshipping company. Again, it also has dropshipping suppliers for us, but the products here are going to be EU and US based products. So if you're looking for less days, for example, if you want your product to arrive within 7 days or within 5 days, then you can go with Uberlo, which is an alternative for Aliexpress and CJ dropshipping, and it is for EU and US based products. But other than that, we have CJ and Aliexpress for suppliers, and then as a platform you can go with Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Walmart. And then you can start selling your products and make money. Of course, the platforms where you will be creating a store have easy withdrawal method, and you can withdraw your products very easily, your money easily, and you can earn your profit, and you will be able to actually sell products, and people become millionaire doing dropshipping online. And that's what you can do as well. Now you know how to get started. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to start dropshipping business online. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.